We met for a long time, so I missed my friends. We haven't met for a long time, so I really missed my friends. Okay. When you meet them, what will you do first? Have coffee, take pictures, take photo hours. We'll meet at noon. So we are going to a food restaurant first. We'll meet at noon, so we are going to a restaurant first. Okay. What kind of food are you going to eat? Korean food or pasta, something special? We are not going to decide it yet. So at the time, we decided to meet together. Okay. We haven't decided yet. So we'll decide when we meet. Right? Okay. 그다음에 maybe. Okay. When you think about your old memories, do you feel happy or a little emotional? I think I feel happy. We have met to middle school. Okay. I feel happy. We've known each other since middle school. We've known each other since middle school. Okay. 그 다음에 Do you usually call each other or mostly text message? Sometimes text message or sometimes call. Okay. Sometimes we text each other and sometimes we call each other. Okay. Okay. When you call her, do you usually talk for a long time? I just short call. When I call her, we talk about an hour. Today, short call because I have to leave home. When I call her, we usually talk for about an hour, but today it was a short call because I had to leave the house. Okay. 엄마 해야 되는데, 라이마. 안 보여. I can see. Right. When you meet them next Saturday, will you cry a little or just laugh a lot? I already so many laugh. 맞나? I already laugh a lot. Okay. Next. When you come back home after meeting them, will you feel tired or very happy and full of energy? No way! I'm very happy. Soon as I get home, I take my dog for a walk. No? No way! I'll be very happy. As soon as I get home, I take my dog for a walk. Okay. Oh, yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. Rhyme. If Rhyme could really speak English, would she say, Mom, I love you, or Mom, give me snacks? Mom, that's enough. Mom, give me snacks. What will Mom say back? Okay, let's go for a walk.